How to auto remove silence on Capcut. In this video, I'll show you how to auto remove silence on Capcut. So to automatically remove silence in Capcut, you need to use the AutoCut or silence detection feature available in Capcut PC or Capcut Pro. This tool scans your audio and trims silent segments to streamline your video. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and create your project. So click on this create project button, and that will take you to your canvas. So on your canvas, go ahead and import the video that you want to use. So click on import, and this will take you to your local drive, and then select the video that you want to use. And then it would be uploaded on your Capcut PC. Now drag this video to your canvas, and then click on the video. So head over into the audio tab. So you'll find that in between video and speed. So click on audio. And then in here, you'll be able to find this reduce noise button. So click on this and then click on this isolate voice. So once you enable both of these features, you'll be able to auto remove the silence on your videos on CapCut. So once this is done, you are good to go. You can go ahead and export your video by clicking on this export button and selecting the quality of video that you want to use for exporting this video.